I just discovered a brand new niche where creators are posting cinematic history videos showing what cities and civilizations used to look like hundreds or even thousands of years ago, and these videos are absolutely blowing up right now. I'm talking about videos showing what ancient Rome looked like at its peak, how people lived inside old civilizations, or what cities like London and Paris looked like before modern technology even existed. Now, the crazy part is that there are already multiple creators posting videos in this niche right now, and when you look at the views these channels are getting, you can immediately tell how powerful this niche actually is. But it gets even crazier, because if we open the next level analytics of some of these channels, you can see that many of them are already generating a really solid monthly income, despite some of these channels being only a few weeks or months old. Now, the reason these videos are performing so well is because they actually provide real entertainment and value to viewers. These aren't just random low-effort AI videos. The storytelling is immersive, the topics create a lot of curiosity, and the visuals make viewers feel like they're literally traveling back in time to experience how these cities and civilizations once looked and lived. And because the videos are so engaging, YouTube keeps recommending them to larger and larger audiences. So in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process step by step, from creating a perfectly branded channel in this niche to making your first cinematic history video, all the way to optimizing everything properly before uploading it to YouTube. But the craziest part is that instead of spending hours writing scripts, creating visuals, and editing everything manually, we're going to use a tool that can generate an entire cinematic video using just one simple prompt. That means the tool handles most of the heavy lifting for you, making this niche way more beginner-friendly than most people expect. And I'm going to drop a ton of free knowledge in this video, so if you appreciate content like this, make sure to leave a like and drop a comment below. Now with that out of the way, let me first show you how to properly build and brand your channel, because this first step is extremely important. Now the first thing that you need to do is open the assets file, which you can find inside my free Telegram channel linked below. Once you are in, here you will find the channel name prompt, which you will need to copy from start to finish. With that done, open a new ChatGPT session and then paste the prompt into the prompt section below. Next, click on the Generate button, and just like that, ChatGPT will provide you with a full list of channel name ideas that are designed for this specific niche. Under each name, it will tell you why that name fits the niche and why it would work well in your case. So now that you have created a list of channel name ideas, head back into the assets file, where you will need to search for the channel description and logo prompt, and then copy it entirely from start to finish. Next, head back into ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the prompt section below. With that done, the next thing that you need to do is go through the name list above, find the name that you like the most, and then paste that exact name into the name section in the main prompt below, so that ChatGPT knows which name you have chosen. Now that everything is set, click on the Generate button to initiate the generation process. And once it's done, as you can see, ChatGPT will provide you with a full channel description, and also, it will provide you with a full logo prompt that you will use to generate the actual logo for your channel. And that exact logo prompt will also be made based on the channel name that you have chosen. Now that everything is set, start by copying the entire logo prompt that you created, and then head over into Flow, which we will use to generate the actual logo. Once you are in, paste the logo prompt into the prompt section right here. Now with the prompt in place, open the settings below, and then make sure to select the 1:1 ratio. Next, set the output amount to 4 so you can have more variations to choose from. And finally, set the model as Nano Banana Pro since that model is pretty optimized. Now that you have optimized all of the settings, click on the Generate button to initiate the logo creation process. And once it's done, as you can see, we have just created a set of 4 channel logos that perfectly match the niche, and in my opinion, they came out really good. Now that the logos are ready, simply choose the one that you like the most, then click on the 3 dots above that image, and make sure to download it by using the original size. So now that you have created all of the assets for your channel, simply open YouTube Studio, and then create a channel by using everything that you have created so far. And I believe that this process is super straightforward, so we don't need to waste any more time here. So now that you have created a channel that really stands out, let's start with the actual video creation process, where the first thing that you need to do is create high-performing video ideas and all of the prompts needed to create a highly engaging video. Now to start off, open the assets file again, but this time search for the video ideas prompt, which you will need to copy entirely from start to finish. Next, open a new ChatGPT session and then paste the prompt into the prompt section below. With that done, click on the Generate button, which will initiate the idea creation process. And once it's done, ChatGPT will provide you with a full list of 10 video ideas that are designed to perform well in this niche. As you can see, under each idea, ChatGPT will explain why that idea has potential, then provide you with a visual potential score and a clickability score, which is super useful. And in my opinion, the information can vary from idea to idea, so it's best that you pick the idea that you personally like the most. With that out of the way, head back into the assets file from before, and this time search for the video creation prompt, which is the prompt that you need to copy. Next, head back into the same ChatGPT session from before, and then paste the prompt into the prompt section below. Now, as you can see, this prompt is really detailed, so the next thing that you need to do is click on the Show Text button right here, which will transfer the full prompt into the prompt section. Now that you have extracted the entire prompt, the next thing that you need to do is find the video idea section, which is the section right here. Next, go through the ideas above and then copy the idea that you like the most. And finally, paste that exact idea into the video idea section in the main prompt, so that ChatGPT knows which idea you have chosen, and this is very important. With that done, under the idea section, you will find the video duration section, where you will need to enter the duration of your video. In my case, I will enter 2 minutes just so that this video doesn't take too long, but in your case, you can aim for a length of around 10 minutes for a more complete video. Now that both of the sections are filled out, click on the Generate button, which will initiate the generation process. And once that process finishes, ChatGPT will provide you with a full video creation prompt that is packed with all of the instructions needed in order for you to create a highly engaging video. This part might be confusing at first, but creating a detailed video creation prompt is a crucial step in the process, since the entire video output depends on that exact prompt. Now that you have chosen a high-performing video idea and created a full video creation prompt, you are finally ready to create the actual video. To create the video, we will use a tool called SGen AI, which is really powerful, and you will see exactly why in just a moment. Once you are in, the first thing that you will notice are the modes, where you can choose between Agent, Tool, and Canvas mode. In our case, we will be using the Agent mode. Next, there are 2 different versions of this agent. You can use the V2 version, which uses the Seedance model, but in this video, we will stick with the V1 version. With that done, here you will find a list of templates that you can use. Basically, these allow you to create videos easily across multiple niches, but in our case, we won't be using a template, so you can leave the template section as it is. Now, with that out of the way, head back into the ChatGPT session from before, and then copy the entire video creation prompt. Next, head back into the agent, and then paste the prompt into the prompt section right here. And you can see just how big the video creation prompt is, but the agent handles the length without a problem, which means you can use long prompts without any errors. So now that everything is set, click on the Generate button, which will initiate the video creation process. First, the agent will provide you with a full video creation plan, where you can literally see all of the steps that it will execute in order to create your video. Then once the plan is ready, the next thing that it will do is start generating the video script. And once that process is done, now you can see that the entire script will be generated for you, along with additional settings for each scene, like the visuals, camera movement, and sound. Now with the script out of the way, the next thing that it will do is create an updated video creation plan that will be based on your script. And below that, as you can see, it will start generating all of the voiceover sections one by one, without you needing to do anything. And once the entire process is done, as you can see, it will provide you with a full list of voiceover sections that will be used throughout your video. With the voiceover done, the next thing that it will do is start generating the image for the first scene in your video. And once it finishes, it will provide you with a high-quality image for your first scene, and it will also use that image to help maintain consistency throughout all of the images that it will generate. Now, after the first image is generated, it will immediately start animating that exact image, and the process won't take long. And with that done, now you can see that it has just provided us with a full 10-second video based on the image that it created above. The actual video is high quality and looks good, considering that the entire process was very simple. So now that the video for the first scene is ready, the agent will start generating the image for the second scene, and it will be done in the same way as before. And once it's done, the agent has generated another image, and this one came out amazing as well, matching the visual style of the first image, which is exactly what we need. So now that you know how the entire process works, all you have to do here is simply wait for the agent to create all of the images and then animate those same exact images in the same way as before. This process won't take long, but it still depends on the video length that you are aiming for. So now that the agent has created all of the images and then animated those same images, the next thing that it will do is generate a set of background tracks that match the vibe of your video. And it's crazy because all of the tracks will be generated using AI, and they will automatically be included in your final video without you needing to waste time searching for the perfect background track for your video. Now with that done, the last step that it will initiate is the video editing step, which won't take too long. And once it's done, as you can see, the entire video will be automatically edited for you, and you can literally see the exact composition timeline, which is super useful. Now at the end, the agent will also provide you with a full list of everything that it executed in order to create the video. And based on those details, you can adjust the video further if you want. If everything looks good, you can download the video by clicking on the download button right here, and that's pretty much it. But now let me show you how to adjust the video in case you want to change some of the scenes. Now let's say that you don't like how the second scene in your video came out, and you want to change that scene. All you have to do is enter a prompt saying that you want it to regenerate the image for the second scene, and then provide it with the changes that you want to apply. With that out of the way, click on the Generate button below, and just like that, the agent will initiate the image creation process for the scene that you want to change, and the entire process is the same as before. Basically, once it's done, it will provide you with a brand new image, and the image will match the script of that scene, and also the visual style of the previous images, which is super important. And once the image is ready, the agent will initiate the video creation process by using that exact image, and once it's done, it will provide you with a brand new video for that scene, and you can see that the video came out amazing as well. Now you saw just how easy the entire process is because, to be honest, this agent is capable of changing nearly all of the details in your video by using a simple prompt. At the end, if you want to add the new scene to the final video, you can simply tell it to replace the old scene, which is scene number 2 in the final video, then provide you with the updated full final video. In my case, since all of my scenes came out good, I won't be doing that, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use the agent to adjust the video however you like. So now that we have created the full history video, let's finally see how it came out.
Close your eyes and peel back 5,000 years of sand. This is not a ruin. This is the world at the absolute height of its power and ambition. Beneath a sun that commands worship, the Nile bleeds life into the desert. Here, time is measured not in hours, but in the rising and falling of water. Step into the heart of the city. The air is thick with the scent of baked bread, drying river mud, and the sharp tang of cedarwood smoke. It is a symphony of organized chaos. Merchants bartering copper for grain, children darting through legs, and the constant heavy pulse of a civilization that never sleeps.
While I didn't show the entire video, you can see that the video is truly amazing. But now, let me quickly show you how to upload it on YouTube correctly, making sure that it reaches the right audience and increases its growth potential. To start off, open the video assets where you will find the SEO and packaging prompt, which you need to copy from start to finish. Next, open the same ChatGPT session that you have been using so far, and then paste the prompt into the prompt section below. Once that's done, click on the Generate button, which will initiate the optimization process. And once it's done, ChatGPT will first provide you with a full SEO-optimized video description that is specifically created based on your video. Next, it will provide you with a full list of optimized tags that you can use to optimize your video. And finally, it will provide you with a full cinematic thumbnail prompt that you will use to create a highly engaging thumbnail for your video. Now that everything is set, start by copying the thumbnail prompt from here, and then open a new project in Flow, and paste the prompt into the prompt section below. With that done, open the settings, and then make sure to select the same settings that I'm using right here, since they are optimized for thumbnail creation. With that out of the way, simply click on the Generate button below, which will initiate the thumbnail creation process. And once it's done, as you can see, we have just created a set of 4 thumbnails for our video, and the thumbnails came out looking amazing. Now at the end, find the thumbnail that you like the most, then click on the 3 dots above that thumbnail, and download it by using the original size. So now that you have prepared all of the key optimization elements for your video, open the YouTube Studio and then upload your video by using everything that you have created so far. Basically, you need to enter the video title, then add the video description, and finally make sure to add all of the video tags that you have just created. And with that done, your video is now complete and ready to go live. Now I've literally shown you the entire video creation process for this niche, from creating the channel to generating the video and preparing it for upload. And as you saw, SGen AI can make the process much easier by handling a lot of the heavy lifting for you. But remember, if you really want to stand out, don't just rely on the tool. Use your own creativity, your own ideas, and actually put effort into making the video feel original and valuable. And as always, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.